FUTURECAST in the Ozarks.
Well, showers and thunderstorms got a pretty early start today. Started off late morning here in the Springfield area, and we've seen waves of showers and thunderstorms on and off throughout the afternoon. Now, notice most of the wet weather has been confined to areas along and west of Highway 65, but we did see a few stronger thunderstorms earlier this afternoon in Shannon County. It looks like we've got a thunderstorm right there, a little south of Salem, moving off to the north. Right now, the stronger storms in our area currently over western Camden County. Looks like we've got a pretty good cluster of thunderstorms that could be producing not only frequent lightning, but maybe some strong wind gusts as it continues to track north up across Morgan County. Notice there's other areas of showers and thunderstorms here near and just to the east of Highway 65. But as we look south, there's not a whole lot in the way of rain over southwest Missouri or northwest Arkansas. That's for now. That will change later tonight. We do have a flash flood watch in effect. This is through Tuesday morning. It looks like we will see another big wave of scattered shower and thunderstorm activity moving north into the area later this evening. Compliments of this is a swirl in the atmosphere that's lifting just about due north out of northeast Texas now into eastern Oklahoma. The good news right now is that because the atmosphere has been pretty worked over throughout the atmosphere, temperatures aren't terribly warm out there over western Missouri, but there is going to be maybe some opportunity before we wrap up the day for temperatures to come back up a little bit. And as this leading edge of thunderstorm activity moves north into the area, wind energy is also going to be picking up with that feature as it moves into the region. That means we will have a threat of severe weather. Right now, it looks like that threat will be isolated in nature, but it will come along with the threat of an isolated tornado as well. Looks like that risk is going to be primarily along and west of Highway 65. The primary mode with these thunderstorms as they move north into the area is going to be the threat of some strong wind gusts. And even that isn't expected to be terribly widespread. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. That's 8 o'clock. Notice how that lull that we're in right now continues through maybe the first half of the evening hours, and then thunderstorm activity will ramp up from the south by late this evening, and it looks like we should see scattered showers and thunderstorms here in the Springfield area probably by around midnight tonight. That risk for scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue through maybe, say, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and then by 7 o'clock in the morning, notice how much of that activity has faded away. But it will flare back up again tomorrow afternoon east of Highway 65 as a front tries to push east across our eastern counties. As far as rainfall tonight, again, that flash flooding risk, it's there because it looks like we could see some pockets of 1 to 3 inches of rainfall here, especially again west of Highway 65. Temperatures tonight will cool off to looks like about 65 or 66 here in Springfield, with highs tomorrow a bit cooler than we've seen, topping out generally in the mid to upper 70s. Looks like about 76 or 77 here in the Springfield area. And I think tomorrow here in Springfield and areas west of Highway 65 will be a bit drier than we saw today. I think the focus for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow will be during the afternoon, and that'll be across our eastern counties. The pattern looks like it's going to remain stormy, though, through Wednesday and Thursday. Compliments of this cutoff storm that will slowly make its way across the area through that time frame. Now, by Friday, it should be moving out of the area. A front will move through, it looks like Thursday night. And I think we're back into a dry pattern in time for the weekend. As you can see, this ridge of high pressure in the jet stream starts to build out over the middle of the country. This is what it looks like in our 7-day forecast. Rather stormy again Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And there will be the threat of some locally heavy rains in there. Generally across the area, we're going to pick up probably 1 to 3 inches of rainfall through Thursday, but there are going to be some localized areas that see even more than that. Friday is our transition day. That's where we start off maybe with clouds and a chance for a few light showers. We get into some afternoon sun and then a beautiful weekend. Comfortable too. Lows in the 50s, highs in the mid to upper 70s.
I was driving up 65 north about 3:15 coming up here to the office. You couldn't even see on the road. Yeah. It was just torrential.
Here at the TV station a couple hours ago, we picked up a quick half an inch in under an hour.
Okay. Jamie, thanks. More news next.